Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is, JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab, because you know I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So, we about to pick up this Pontiac that we had the rust taken care of on. So we're going to pick it up. I haven't dropped a video in a couple days, and I know that it's been busy. Last week it was busy. This week is busy. So, but I got y'all, though. I didn't forget. Last Saturday was my niece and my nephew's birthday. And then Sunday was my mom's birthday and her party. And then this week, my daughter's birthday is Sunday, but our party is Saturday. So it's just getting everything situated. So I've just been chilling, relaxing, waiting and stuff. But hope everybody's having a good week. Thanks to everybody that's been subscribed and liking the videos and everything as we continue to grow. Oh yeah. What's up, Wilson? Good. You the only one working today?
Yeah.
Only one here? No help? Working everything no matter. Matching them up, making them gloss. Y'all know what we here for. Rust wear. Rust wear. Rust wear. Where? Oh yeah. And he hung the little. Oops. Came out good. You got somebody here that can help me, or I can come back and get it in a second, or I can just come back and get it in a second. I'll just pick this one up and then come back and get my car. Yeah. All right. Well, how much I owe you? 350. You said 350. I got the video.
No.
I got the video. I'll show you when I come back.
You say yeah.
350. Oh man. Oh, you got it. Y'all see it? Look up close on it. Take it to the detail shop. Post it up. I'm cleaning all this stuff off of there. Oh yeah. Only thing it is, it's got this little crack. That's the only negative on the car, is the little crack on the windshield. That's the only thing. Then does need to be detailed. Does need to be detailed. Cause it got like this, like weird, like funky little smell to it. That's why. Like this little weird little, not the best smell. Got this. Oh yeah, let me show y'all. We're in this little Corolla beater. It's actually we call it a family beater. Anybody in a family need a car for a little while? Hop in the little Corolla beater. And we put the in memory of the Kia Turbo. We couldn't let the hubcaps go away, so in memory of the Kia Turbo, we let it live on. In memory of the Kia Turbo, but the Pontiac came out great, so we already got the oil change. Now it's just time to take it to the detail shop. Little weird little smell. Grab my bag, take it to the detail shop, and she gonna be somebody's gonna get them a great vehicle. You know, let me know what y'all think about how he done on the rust. I'm gonna see if I can. Let's see if I can go find like a little snippet from the other. See if I can go find like, see if I got any parts of the other video so y'all can see the before. So we'll try to go record at least part of it so y'all can see like the before. This thing ain't got no check engine lights, just got this little weird like smell. It's like a little weird funny smell, like I don't know how do you explain it. But let me call my brother right quick to see if he's able to pick me up. So call him. See y'all at the detail shop. We made it. So time to get it clean. Got good tires and everything. Get a thumbnail right there. Voila. Got clean. Look, see that's my little brother. He just got him a new car. Went and financed him up, building that credit. Went up there and financed his first car. You know, made it a big decision. You know, helped him find it. So we up here in the detail shop, see if they go drop these keys off. Got it dropped off, cleaned up, grill in there hung up, clean that little part, clean it up. We good to go. Let me know in the comment section below. Now that it's all, done with the rust. Let me know in the comment section below how much y'all can sell it for. I was thinking about posting it for 35. 35 and taking no less than $3,000 or 32. Appreciate y'all. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.